Plural caught up with author Ken Logan at the ASHA 2014 convention to hear about his new textbook, Fluency Disorders.
I'm Ken Logan, and I am the author of Fluency Disorders, a new textbook. The book is one that I've been working on for the last few years, and it's aimed mostly at individuals that have an interest in disorders like stuttering and cluttering and other fluency impairments, and it is most appropriate as a graduate level text, although I think it's of interest to undergrads who have a real interest in this area, and it's also of interest to people who are in clinical practice. The book is divided into 4 sections. The first one has to do with the nature of fluent speech, how it comes about in the population overall, individuals that function normally, and the nature of dysfluency and the way that comes about in the population overall. The second section of the book has to do with disorders of fluency, the etiology and the characteristics of them. The primary emphasis is on stuttering, but there's also information on cluttering and fluency impairments associated with other disorders as well. The third section has to do with the assessment of fluency, and the fourth part with approaches to treatment. I organized the treatment section around two different ways: principles of treatment, and then also specific methods that individuals can use. The book has an emphasis on information in the research area, trying to be an advocate of intervention and assessment approaches that are rooted in evidence. And the second aspect of the book has to do with the client and the patient perspective, and what it's like to have a fluency impairment and what the issues and challenges are. And the third aspect is the clinical aspect of it, issues that the clinician will have to deal with when they work with individuals that have impairments in fluency. I'm excited about the book. I have a fluency impairment myself, and so in many ways this book has been a long time in coming.